So let us see the final problem, okay, on analog electronics, which happened in GATE 2021 instrumentation paper. And this is based on a Darlington pair, but not having identical transistors. Okay, not an issue even if you don't know it's a Darlington pair. Okay, still you can answer this problem comfortably. The problem statement is this. We need to find out the current in the base of transistor Q2, but this setup, I don't remember exactly what is given this side, but assuming transistors Q1 and Q2 are active, you need to find out the current IB2 in microamps. IB2 in microamps. Given this current as 50 microamps, so transistor Q1's beta is given 99, transistor Q2's beta is given as 49. Okay, that's very easy. So reflect your emitter current 1, IE1 to IB1 and IB1 to IB2. Okay, IB1 is same as your IE2. So with this, we can easily answer the problem. So anyway, without disturbing the problem figure, let me take it to the next one. We'll see how we can easily answer this problem. Okay. It's 1 mark only, numerical answer type, 1 mark. You need to feed the answer. Okay, with the unit 10 microamps, you need to feed only the number needed for to complete the problem. Yes, that's our problem figure given. It's 50 milliamps. Therefore, we can find the base current IB1. We know IB1 is IE1 divided by beta plus 1. What is the beta of Q1 given 99? So it is going to be 50 milliamps divided by 100. Okay, that's your IB1. Anyway, that is also your current in the Q2, that is equal to IE2. So again reflected to the base. Then IB2 is equal to IE2 divided by its beta, that is B2 plus 1. Here I can take it as beta 1. And IE2 is same as your IB1. So I can say IB1 divided by beta 2 plus 1. Okay, so with this, we can answer the problem easily. Okay, so what is IB2 now? IB2 is equal to IB1, that is IB1 is already known, divided by beta 2 plus 1. Beta 2 is given as 49. So beta 2 plus 1 is 50. So therefore, you will end up with 50 milliamps divided by 50 into 100. The result is going to be 1 by 100 milliamps. 1 by 100 milliamps is nothing but in micro, it is in milli, it is 0.01 milli. So in micro, it is going to be IB2 is equal to 10 microamps. Therefore, the answer is 10. Okay. If it is not mentioned, 10.000 will be the ideal way to answer this. Thank you. We'll update other subjects soon.